up, man? Hope everybody having a good day, man. You know what I'm saying? Today about to be a special day. I'm about to put some pipes on cocaine, man. On a girl, this big girl here. I already lowered it. I should have made some content for it. I already lowered it. Put some springs in the back. Definitely want to put some pipes on it, some tips on it, because it's so quiet right now. It's looking good though. Don't worry about the headlights. I'm getting the headlights, getting some new headlights. The ones I wanted, they out of stock, so I'm gonna have to look for some more. Yeah, man, she's looking good. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the shop. Man, she looking good, man. Look how she's sitting. But don't worry, I'm gonna get the front springs lowered too, cause I need new struts. So, cause it's kind of bouncy, so I'm gonna get that done right now. I'm about to fill her up, you know. And I use, for the springs, I use CC501 springs, rear springs, and they fit perfect. So, yeah. Back up here at Spanky's again. This dope truck, man. This truck dope. It's very clean. Back up here at Spanky's. They got a customer in here right now, so that's why I haven't went in. So just wait until get it done. love how it sound. It runs good. It sounds so good. Looks good too. But that's it, y'all. Definitely appreciate y'all for tuning in. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, you know. I definitely appreciate the supporters that's watching my page. You know what I'm saying? My YouTube channel. I definitely appreciate y'all, man. I'm trying to get more subscribers. I'm trying to post more too as well. So got to get those likes up, man. Comment some more. Comment on my videos some more so I can start doing more content for you guys. So definitely appreciate y'all. I'm finna head in. Peace.